Hello and welcome again to the video, and I miss you guys. It's been a while since I posted the last video, but today I come with another beautiful video trying to explain to you how I got almost 150 right now pips on gold trading this very recent. This entry is still running up till now as I'm speaking, and I've already took some partial profits in this level here, and my TP is actually at this level here, so I'm expecting for the price to come towards that, but I've already secured my TP and my stop loss, and now the entry is running risk-free, and I've already took my partial profits. So this entry here is actually a very simple entry, and I'm gonna teach you one of the best ways of trading any pair, any asset, and I'm gonna teach you a very small secret, which I've already talked about in this channel, but I'm gonna just try to tell you or teach you how to use this trick in order to get entries like this. So welcome to the videos, and before that, I want to thank everyone who is participating in my channel. And right now we are in 700 subscribers. And like I said, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna provide a free course, 2 weeks course to members in my WhatsApp channel. So if you are in, you have subscribed in my channel, make sure you also follow my WhatsApp channel, because in there is where I'll provide a 2 weeks mentorship to everyone once we reach 1,000 subscribers. So keep sharing, keep watching the videos, like, comment. Let's grow together, and once we reach that destination, you're gonna enjoy, because I'm gonna provide to you the best mentorship ever. And of course, right now my full masterclass is already on track. People are learning, people are enjoying. So if you haven't registered, just hit my DM. The number is on the description, and then you'll be able to register in this masterclass. This masterclass is one of the best, one of the iconic masterclass, and people who already studied this masterclass, they are enjoying. They are enjoying. If you want to get this PDF for free to try and look what you're gonna learn, just hit my DM and you'll be able to get this full PDF as a course outline. So thank you very much. So let's get back to the video. Now, this entry here is actually pretty simple, and it started before even the day started. So I was just trying to figure out how I'm gonna trade this morning, and um, in the morning I tried to look for structures to trade, and in the 15 minutes I saw this structure break here. Okay, but one thing I do all the time is any structure that I trade, I have to confirm. For those who are in my masterclass, they already know structural verification, and it is a topic in my masterclass. It is one of the topics here: structural verification and FTA. So any structure you want to trade, you must verify it before even you try to do any decision. All right. So how do we verify structures? We use several things like FDA, the RB, and many. But today I'm just gonna talk about FTA. Okay. So yeah. So using FTA, and of course we have a video concerning FTA. I'm gonna link it below. So go on and watch it. So the thing about FTA is we have uh, we have time frame. Okay, so we have the monthly series, which connects with the daily, connects with the 1 hour, connects with the 15 minutes, and we have the weekly series, which connects with the 4 hour, connects with the 30 minutes, and then coordinates with the 5 minutes. But in between those time frame, we find that we have time frame hidden. So those are the time frame that we use to confirm FTAs. So between monthly and daily, we have weekly. Here, daily and 1 hour, we have 4 hour. 1 hour and 15, we have 30. Same applies in weekly and 4 hour, we have daily. 4 hour 30, we have 1 hour 30 and 5, we have 15 minutes. So meaning now, if you get a structure in, let's say, a 15 minutes, you have to confirm it in the hidden time frame that it is a real breakout. And when we say a real breakout, we are talking about a week to body breakout. So if it is not a week to body breakout, that is not a real break. So a real break is defined by a full body breakout. Okay. So in this sense now, we found out now we have a structure here, a beautiful structure, which is a week to body breakout. But if we confirm that structure in the 30 minutes, we see we have only a week to week breakout. And what do we do when we have a week to week breakout? It is simply we all try to observe the price performing retracement or a complete reversal. So the main target will be this high here, right? That high. But we are going to try to observe the price in the sense of if it performs just a retracement. So we're going to see how price behave during these levels inside in between, but our main target is that way. So instead of looking for the cells in this structure, now I have to change my perspective to look for what? For buys. All right, for buys. Now from there, now I begin to go to the 1 minute, and in the 1 minute, I just want to see the structure supporting me to buy. Okay, so yeah, we get this structure here. After this change of character right here, we have formation inside formations inside, and this here was our inside formation. It was consumed, but not 50%. Okay, not 50%. So that is the my entry point. That was my entry point there, and my stop loss was just below that formation low, and my target, of course, at I always target 100 pips. I never once my entry hits 100 pips, I always close but if I see some potential, I have to secure my entry. So my first take profit was this point here, but I am letting my entry go on and on using the 15 minutes time frame. So you can see my entry supposed to go all the way to fill this key here. Okay, but I've already secured my entry. I've already secured my take profit. I took some partial profits, and of course I've already secured my stop loss. So that is the simplest method of trading. You don't need to complicate things. Okay, when you get the structure, verify it. If it doesn't fit the verification criteria, you change your perspective, you change your decisions. If you wanted to buy, now you look for structure supporting a sell. If you wanted to sell, now you look for the structure supporting to buy. Simple like that. So that is how I managed to get over 100 pips just in a few hours, and my day is over. My day is over. My day is over. So once again, I want to thank you guys for reaching 700 subscriber. Now we are 300 subscribers left to complete the challenge. So make sure you share the channel, you share. And once we reach 1,000, I'm gonna provide a free mentorship course. And this will not be a normal mentorship course. This will be an outstanding course. An outstanding course. I'm gonna teach you secrets, okay, of trading in general. Okay, so let's keep pushing. Let's reach our goal. And once again, we have this masterclass going on. If you need to join, just hit my DM. Thank you very much, guys. See you on the next video.